Daydream with me, let your mind explore all the things we were created for. Possibilities, an open door that keeps us reaching out for more.
Welcome, welcome, welcome to anyone who is new. Well, welcome to everybody, even if you're new or you're not new. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I just want to say thank you for allowing me to get to 3,000 subscribers in this community, in our community. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Stay tuned to the end of the video because I think I'm going to come up with something. I'm going to think about it today and tomorrow, and I'll come up with something to share with you guys to just give my appreciation back to you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. But my name is Patrice, the Patrice Denise. I am over here living a healthy, sustainable life, one day at a time, one step at a time. Been chronicling my journey. It kind of started, well, I've been vlogging a long time. Well, I would say a long time, but I've been vlogging prior to me starting like this health journey. Doing like family vlogs. I did a cruise vlog and things like that, so you can check those out. And then I got on the medication Mounjaro, and I was like looking up information on Mounjaro on YouTube, and so I decided to start my journey or start sharing my journey on YouTube as well on the medication Mounjaro. So if you're interested in Mounjaro, check out the description box below and get information on that. But it has fallen into me just wanting to share my life in more detail with you guys and just encouraging others and motivating others to continue on, because life can life sometimes while we're on these different journeys, health journeys, spiritual journeys, mental journeys, financial journeys. Life can life sometimes, so we just need to keep on, pressing on, not giving up. That's our motto, our theme for 2024, do not give up. So I encourage you all to just continue on. I'm about to eat this breakfast. So I started out thinking I wanted some scrambled eggs. Then I started cooking it, and it turned into just like half scrambled, half fried egg. And then I was like, what can I put on top? So then I had some tuna, my little tuna packets, the little packets that you can get the tuna out, and I didn't put no mayo or anything in it. I just put everything but the bagel seasoning, a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of onion. No, I didn't put onion powder. I put minced onion, a little bit of minced onion on that. And I have the Sara Lee keto-friendly 45 calorie bread. So I got 2 pieces of that and 1 packet of the tuna and 3 eggs. And this will be my breakfast. Well, it's kind of like a late breakfast because it's already 10:30 to be exact. I already did my cardio for this morning, and I did 45 minutes, and I am right now at a total steps of 7,275 altogether right now. My step goal for this week is 9,120, so I am on target for getting there early on today. I have met my step goal for the whole week so far, so I have today, tomorrow, and Sunday to meet my step goal, and I will have met it for the whole week. Tomorrow's going to be hard because I have to work tomorrow and my part-time job, and I get up real early, so I can't, I would say I can't, but I just don't do my cardio before work if I work on Saturday. So I'm going to have to do something. I'll have to think of something. Maybe walk during, like on my lunch break at work. I'm gonna have to figure something out. But yeah, so let me get into breakfast, and I'll follow up with you guys probably at lunchtime. Quick little snack. So this is my go-to snack. Y'all know, yogurt, ratio granola. I think this is the honey almond one, and then some chia seeds and some frozen fruit that I kind of let defrost. And this is snack time. All right, it's way past lunchtime. I didn't get to come back on. I've been literally at the computer all day doing stuff. Stuff for work and then stuff for church. It's now almost 8 o'clock right now. And I need to go ahead and eat So I had that yogurt earlier you saw for a snack. And since I had so much protein, I guess it held me over. But I need to eat dinner and pack my lunch for work tomorrow. I do have to work my part-time job. And so what I'm going to be having for work tomorrow is some green beans. I haven't had any vegetables yet today, as you saw. So I need to get some vegetables in tonight. So I'm going to heat this up and split this into two. So it'll be one for right now, and then a serving for right now, and a serving for tomorrow at work. And what I'm gonna eat with it is some broccoli and beef. My husband made beef and broccoli last night, and I'm not gonna put any rice or anything with that tonight or tomorrow. I'm just gonna put it, just have those two, beef and broccoli. Have some green beans, mix all in there. I know y'all like, you eat so weird, some weird things. I do. I know. But it all works out. It all works out. So I'm going to prepare my meal right now for tonight, and then for work, I'm gonna pack my lunch for work, and all my snacks. I do have a long day tomorrow, but we will definitely catch up tomorrow when we discuss. I'm still thinking. I want to do something for you guys for this 300. No, 300. Wow, 300. Speak it, speak it. I'm gonna say 300,000, but I'm gonna speak it. The 3,000 subscriber um, mark, and that is a milestone that is special. So I want to celebrate you guys and celebrate this community, because I would not be where I am. This community would not be where we are without you. So I appreciate you, and I want to give back to you guys. So let me go ahead and start this and get this packed, because I need to also pack my bag for work and get my clothes ready and everything. So I will definitely talk with you guys on tomorrow.
Sure that I'm not sure. I know when I don't know it. So I listen for my inner voice. Carry the winds, drown out the rain. But will it make sense without the pain? Will color me blue, then tickle me pink. Who knew that at the brink of the end, life could begin?
Whew, we have made it home from work, and I am happy to be home. I am happy to be home. I need to go grocery shopping. As you saw, the food selections was sparse. um, I had to actually today, like, as I packed one of my son's Cheez-Its, because I was going to pack a granola bar, but then I looked at the nutrition facts on the granola bar compared to because we got Quaker Oats. We had that in the cabinet for I don't know how long. Those Quaker Oats granola bars. Because I got the big old box one time from BJ's, and that's been a while ago. But we have those, and so I was looking at that compared to the Cheez-Its, and the Cheez-Its actually were better nutrition wise. So I went ahead with that, and yeah, I ate every single thing in my lunchbox. I actually did not eat anything for breakfast. I was going to eat the yogurt for breakfast, but I got busy and I didn't eat until lunch. I didn't eat anything until lunch. I was drinking water throughout. So I got all my water in already for the day. I am going to drink some more because I am still, right now it's only 6:42. So I'll probably be getting some more water in. I'll be eating dinner here in a second. I'm not sure what we're having for dinner. On the weekends, it's kind of like sometimes it's get something out the fridge or out the freezer and go with that, or do some kind of quick thing from a restaurant or something. But I don't know what we're going to eat tonight. I need to find out what my husband thinks. But I wanted to come on here and again say thank you for your support. Thank you for keeping me motivated to continue on with you guys. I will not give up. I hope that you will not give up. And thank you for continuing to be a part of this community. I want to get back to you guys, and I've been thinking long and hard. So last time when I did a giveaway, when I reached my goal weight, and that was good, but I don't want to have to pressure you to give me your address. So, like your physical address or, things like that. So, I was thinking this time around, I can do like a gift card, like an Amazon gift card or something like that. And then my hope would be that you buy something that you could use to help you on whatever journey that you are on, health wise, financial journeys, because we have some people who are on just different journeys in different parts of their lives right now. So hopefully that will help you. So I want to give away and I don't know if it comes in increments of, I don't even know how to do gift cards on Amazon, but I'll find, oh, right there, gift cards. Amazon gift card. Oh, and it has specialty gift cards. So maybe, well, oh, I can do e-gift cards. Okay, so yeah, I can do an Amazon gift card. And because it's the number 3,000, I'm going to give it. I can't give you $3,000. I wish I could. I'm going to do 30. So I want you, if you want to enter into this giveaway, put in the comments below, because this will seal the deal for your journey. Don't give up. Put pound, don't give up. Pound, don't give up. So that will seal the deal for yourself on your journey. You are being held accountable that you will not give up. We're not giving up in 2024. So if you would like to enter into the drawing, into this giveaway for $30 Amazon gift card, I will go ahead and pick the winner on, today is the 16th. So let's do the winner. Give you some time. Let's do the winner on, and I'll give everybody time to see the video, comment. When I do the weigh-in, my weigh-in video on the 27th, because I film it on the Wednesdays and then I post it on the Thursdays. But let's do the giveaway on, so you have to put in the comments, pound, do not give up, by Tuesday, March 26th by 11:59 p.m. and it can be whatever standard time because I'll look at it on Wednesday. Eastern, Central, Pacific, it doesn't matter. So by your time, 11:59 on, I guess, I don't know. Yeah, just the date has to be, when I look at the date, it needs to say March 26th, right? So that I can know who to enter into the names, right? So put pound, don't give up, and I will be able to select $30 gift card for you, and I'll send an Amazon gift card to you, and all I will need is your email address. So that'll make it a little bit easier. And I know everybody shops on Amazon. Well, I believe everybody shops on Amazon. Okay, this is editing Patrice. So I was just so excited to introduce this giveaway that I didn't kind of go through it clearly. Here are the official rules. 1, you need to be a subscriber. So I need to be able to see that you're a subscriber. So that means you need to be a public subscriber. 2, you need to comment pound, don't give up. And then 3, please like the video. I won't be able to actually tell if you like it, but please like the video. Thank you. All right. All this must be done by Tuesday, March 26, 2024. And then I'll randomly pick the winner using one of those randomized pickers that I can find online. So, yes, thank you guys. Thank you. Like I said, I appreciate your love and your support, and I want to get back to you some type of way, somehow, some way. So I appreciate you, and I thank you. I still have, with my daily steps, I need to get to 9,120. I'm right now at 8,317. And can you see that? But, let's see. Focus. So it showed that I did 22 minutes of exercise and at work today. That's just from walking around the hospital. I'm a clinical instructor. And then I've been, standing goal. I've been standing for at least a minute. I think it is a minute every hour for the last 14 hours. And those are the calories I burned in red so far. But yeah, I got to get a little under, I'm not sure the math, blah, 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 probably about 800 steps left for the rest of the day. I can get that. I can definitely get that before I go to bed. So I'm not going to worry about doing formal exercise today because I'm just going to worry about these steps. So I'm going to get these steps in so I can meet my step goal. And that step goal is for the Family Fit program that my daughter and I are in right now. I don't know if you can even hear the basketball, but my daughter and my son are outside playing basketball. Outside, I tell you, they love playing basketball, so they're out there doing that. But yes, again, I thank you guys. We are in this for the long haul. Y'all got me for the long haul, so stick with me. I'll stick with you. You know, we got this. We got this. And I am going to be going grocery shopping probably tomorrow because I want to meal prep. I haven't meal prepped in a while, and I want to meal prep. And actually, I'm going to meal prep using. Oh, that's what I wanted to tell you. I'm going to meal prep using a YouTube. She's on Instagram. She's on YouTube. I believe she's even on TikTok. Her name is Fayette Nam. Okay, I'm just gonna put her name right here on the screen. And I know she's on YouTube, but she does some awesome reels, and her meals look so good. So in one of her recent YouTube videos, she had a nice meal prep and for breakfast as well as lunch and dinner. I'm only going to do the breakfast and lunch, and then later on in the week I'll do another lunch. We'll see. You'll see the video. You'll see the video. So I'll show you that. And I'm going to go grocery shopping for that as well as grocery shop for the house. I'm going to do that tomorrow. But I was thinking about, because at first I was thinking about doing a physical giveaway to you guys where I had to mail something, but I just thought about all the, just trying to get people's personal information, and I didn't think that was, you know, you know, some people don't like to give out their personal, and I understand that. But I was going to thinking about giving away a food scale because I am about to buy a food scale for myself, and I'm gonna buy this food scale that I'm gonna put up here. And I was inspired by one of our community members. She has a YouTube channel, so definitely check her out. Her name is Stay Fit with Yari. Stay Fit with Yari, and I'll put her handle up here. She had a video. She's actually on her own health journey as well, and she's also on Mounjaro. So if you're interested in content of that nature, definitely check her out. She's also on a financial health journey, and she's been posting videos about that as well. So definitely check her out. She showed in one of her recent videos where 5 things she uses to help reach her weight loss goals, and she showed this food scale, and it's the food scale by Renfo, and I didn't know Renfo had a food scale, and I have the Renfo weight scale, not weight scale, body scan, body fat, body measurement scale, and I have that scale. I have that product from Renfo. I also have a Renfo jump rope and a Renfo measuring tape. So I was like, oh yes, I love Renfo products. So I'm going to buy myself the food scale because when I was looking at Fayette in, I'm just going to say her last name in initial. When I was looking at her video, a lot of people who show their recipes, they have the ounces or the grams of what each item weighs that they put in the recipes, and I need to be more accurate with that. Especially, if our coach, Mariah and I's coach, have us to do that. I don't know yet what he's going to have us do, but just in case. So, yeah, I was going to give that out, but I'm going to buy one for myself. Okay, see, I started rambling. Y'all know I started rambling with y'all because I like talking to y'all. But we'll catch up in our weekly update video. I'll be going grocery shopping tomorrow, and I'll show that later on this week. And then make sure you enter into the drawing, and I will say who the winner is next week in the weekly update / monthly weigh-in video. So definitely put in the comments below, pound, hashtag, that's the word I was looking for. y'all can tell I'm old. Hashtag don't give up. Okay, put that in the comments below. Thank you guys again. I love you guys. Until the next video, God bless.